Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr, how are you doing, guys? Hello. So, in today's episode, we're not talking about Inte.Team, we're not talking about Book Repair Online, we are talking about these. These are the Oculus Quest 2 gamepads, okay? So, my son have damaged, well, it's a wear and tear, so have damaged two. They developed stick drift. This is original one, removed from the Oculus right controller. Okay, that's the right one. And this one is working back again. I ordered 6 of them on AliExpress. I don't know if I have them here. Yes. Okay, so that's what I bought. It's 2-pack. So you've got pretty much for 98 pence from this particular seller. One. Yes, I needed 2 and I've ordered just in case 4 more for our customers. So that's why I've got in total 6. Yes, now of course 1 is used and it's inside this. So the video I'm recording here is only to show you how I've disassembled it and how I've replaced it, whereas I will try to record a live to show you the whole procedure about it. Okay, what tools you will need? Well, you will need something to pry. If you use metal, keep in mind to be really gentle and really extremely gentle. If you use plasticky prying tool, you might struggle a bit more, but you will most likely create less damage. So it's up to you, either prying metal tool or I use tweezers. I like bent tweezers, but flat ones will do as well. And then I found that there are 2 types of screwdrivers. Start with Torx 5, something like that, and you will see yourself which for you working best. Now when you will take out the cover, okay, there will be a battery, as you know. Yes, and now when you lift the battery there is a sticker. Now I was using scalpel type of knife, yes, blade or X-Acto knife you can call it, yes, or any other this type of blade knife to remove the sticker. Just watch out when you're peeling it off, you can tear it easily, and you might have problem with putting it back. Just keep it in mind. Underneath there are 3 screws, so you need to do it. Yes, here is a 1 screw, and there are additional screws underneath the sticker. Once you will get the thingy out, let me switch to the photos. Okay. Oh, you see, then you see those 1 screw, 2nd screw, 3rd screw. Here is a terminal to connect, to program it after it's fully assembled. So you can program it after. Now this black bit, okay, so how you take out this black bit, because that's the next one. When you have this part out, you just pry it in this place here, and it will pop out. It's partially on sort of adhesive and partially I think on some clips. Okay, so then there is not many, there is actually quite a few, 9 screws, so it's quite a few. So the screws which we see here are this and this screw. These ones are shorter screws, and then this screw and I think this screw will be longer. The rest are the same. So you've got a picture here, so you can follow the picture, or you can take a picture yourself so you will know exactly how to do it. Okay, then once it's done you will have them. So those are the longer screws, and at the top you see those shorter, only 2. Yes, I've aligned them the way you insert them to the joystick, yes, the gamepad. And then underneath you will see you will have this. Again, prying, be gentle, be super gentle. That's our analog joystick. Okay, here connected through FPC connector. Now the screws, you barely can see them, but that's one, and on the opposite side is a second one. Right at the corner is the third one, and the fourth one is likely hidden here. Yes, it is here. So yes, they are not seen really wow, but okay. Now this is a connector with the battery section. Okay, so keep in mind when you pry in and separating them apart, you really have to be gentle because you can easily damage something. That's why, you know, I will record a live to show you what I have done. Now when you've got this joystick out, keep in mind there is a string here and then there is a top cap on it like you've got in regular gamepads. So you need to replace them fit onto the new one, yes, because that's the original one. And then you've got new one, so you need to place this one and this one on top before inserting it here. So I think that's it, guys. And then assembling process is just opposite process. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you. 6 minutes roughly video, but you know how to do it. Please be careful or ask someone who's knowing how to do these things, because you can really damage it, and especially that there are certain ways of aligning these plastics and it's not going great sometimes. So here this ring, yes, this ring is as well on the adhesive, and once you will do the screws underneath here and you will have this one, you can start to pry it as well and it will go off, and it's on adhesive, keep in mind. And be gentle because inside you've got diodes and flex PCBs with diodes and other components, including Wi-Fi antenna for this, or Bluetooth. I don't know what type of connection actually. So either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection, and this one, once damaged, you know, you will have big time of fixing it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If possible, leave us a like button and see you in the next video. Bye bye.